Having replaced the rear lights on the Jeep with LED lights, we have decided to replace the standard front headlights too. Although we had LED bulbs fitted in the side lights, the normal beam and high beam with bulbs. We have chosen to replace the lights with Truck-Lite LED lights, which, as you can see, have clear lenses and a different look than the standard headlights, and you can see the LEDs fitted, and these lights should be a simple plug and play operation. Having removed one of the old headlights, you can see behind the light was the connection for the headlights, and also in the engine bay was the connection for the side lights. Having fitted the new LED headlight, the surround has also been fitted and the wires were connected up, as you can see. This bit shows one of the old lights together with the new LED light. That is the light emitted from the old light, and that is the brighter light being emitted from the LED light. As you can see, there are two LEDs for the side light, one on top for the dip beam and one below for the full headlight beam. We now have both LED lights fitted. Turning the lights on, those are the side lights, dip beam and full beam. These lights are much brighter than the old lights, and that's the dip beam and full beam as seen from the front of the vehicle. This part of the video, you can see the Jeep approaching with the new LED headlights in place. Here it comes down the road. Those are much brighter than the old ones are. You can see the light coming out the front there. And I'll just show you what it's like when you're driving along. The lights light up the road and vehicles in front much clearer. You can see the beam pattern here on a darker road, and going into full darkness you can see how bright these LED lights really are. Thanks, bye.